Welcome to Peciknop. I hope you're doing okay. In this video, we're gonna be looking back how we spent our last day in Taiwan. Since we're all expecting that it's gonna be fully loaded, we decided to get an early lunch. At first, we're kind of wanting something different, but guess what? We've settled with KFC. Customers can only order via the electronic kiosk and pay at the counter. We're here at KFC. Take a look.
Diyan sarap. Si Ruben hindi natatanong kung masarap eh.
Sa kanya.
Ano yan? Timba to?
Oo.
Ano lasa dito?
Amoy mo. Ito pa lang.
Kape yata yun.
May kape.
Kape. Sorry, baliktad.
Dapat na nalagyan ako.
Baka naman may nakalagay.
Ito sa akin daw.
Napabasa.
Pero kaya hindi na.
We decide as we go on what to do next, and since it's the nearest one, we've started the tour going to Shilin residences.
Oh, nice get there! Picking her up?
Ito, malambot-lambot. Kung buy one, take one. Mas malambot yun.
Buy one
Hindi kasi at least masusuot mo na habang naglalakad.
Babayad mo ng 2,000 pesos. 2,000 pesos lang, babayad mo?
Yes.
We were welcomed by an annual flower show. Different flower arrangements are on display. What a sightseeing.
So, nandito tayo sa... Nasaan tayo? Ma'am? Ma'am, nasaan tayo, ma'am? Nino? Talaga ba? Sasabit ko sa tenga ni Nino pang gano'n ako.
Less than 10 hectares, it would really consume your day, mesmerized by what's in front of you. Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Officially named as the Liberty Square, where the National Concert Hall and the National Theater are located. The statue of Chiang Kai-shek in the main chamber of the Memorial Hall is quite monumental. Time management gives you more opportunity to roam around and to catch more places to experience. We're not travel experts and guilty of overspending allotted time and frequently out of schedule. Up next, the Taipei Zoo as planned. When we've reached the Taipei Zoo station, it's literally raining cats and dogs. We missed the Taipei Zoo. Didn't realize that the gate closes literally before 5 p.m. All broken hearted and the sky is turning darker and darker as we headed to the Maokong Gondola.
Mamaya, nasa view.
Oo, wala pa ngayon.
Kung kita pa yung view. Dito nga po pala kami sa gondola.
Here's the clip of the gondola experience.
Video! Ang bilis! Wow!
Nakakapot.
Pating niyo naman.
Nakakapot. Nasa area na no?
So, here's the view.
Taas. Kaya alam, madilim na no?
Malayo pa ikot yan dito.
Ha?
Malayo pa ikot na to.
Ayun. Yung kandala, tapos ngayon.
Ba? Umakagalaw eh. Gusto mo ba yan?
Mukha na, parang. Ganda na experience.
Ganda din dito yan. Diyos ko po, puro pag.
Safe naman ito, hindi naman basta-basta lalaglag ko eh.
Are you sure? Safe yan dito. Sayang, ba't inumaga natin to?
Personally, I was expecting a view of Taiwan's nightlights. Didn't expect that it's gonna be a fusion of the Singapore Flyer and an almost bare cable car. I may be overreacting, but the weather made the view a bit murky. But hey, a little thrill once in a while is not bad. It could have been a lot better if we had started the day visiting the gondola first and then the Taipei Zoo, but it is what it is. The ride took around about 30 to 45 minutes in total. At the Maokong station, we were asked to step out and exit the station only to re-enter and hop back into another cable car. It's not clear to me as to why I've started feeling sick. I am not acrophobic and I still find it weird as to why I've started feeling less okay. I'm not into any fictitious beliefs, but not discounting the fact that it was something a little mythical. Just to share, my mother would always ask me to bring along a safety pin whenever I travel. She said that keeps the ill effect of certain places affecting newcomers. Also, try to ask people you're traveling with. Sometimes it's just them causing what could be bothering you. With all we've covered, we've already filled almost 98% of our 256GB memory card. Had to save some for a little wrap up at the airport.
Minto.
Sila?
Minto. Minto sa atin.
Hindi. Uy, may tunnel dun, oh.
Guys, may tunnel dun.
May tunnel.
Yung minto.
May kahilan pa.
Ano bagal yan?
Ang layo pa, Kachona. Saan niyo kami dadalhin?
Matakot din ako. Kasi hindi mo... Bakit hindi?
View ng view.
Safety naman to eh.
Wala?
Yung totoo saan pa ito makakarating? Ayun na sa baba.
Oops.
Walang pumalas ano.
Nagigid mo pa.
Galing. Parang yung pamayahin. Yung dalawa.
Si James. Ano nangyayari kay James?
Paano mo tumalit na yun sa tapas?
Siguro
Hindi gagawin.
saan niya rin yung ginaganon yung ano.
Hindi, pipikit lang yun. Yun ang pinakadabis yun, pipikit ka lang.
Hindi mas nakakatakot sa pagkakagano.
Bakit ganon?
Ang train, no? Ay, bababa na tayo?
Hindi. Tini-check nyo lang kung okay ba kayo.
Hi. Pang-pudal daw yung buhok niya. Nakita mo. Nakita mo yung buhok niya.
It's part of the original plan, but we've decided not to go to the Gloria outlet anymore and just to go direct to the airport. It was definitely a fruitful trip. We may have missed a lot, but still can't ask for more. No one knows that in a couple of weeks, COVID-19 will change our lives drastically. It's not yet over and a little less than manageable as of the moment. The World Health Organization has declared it as a global pandemic, and no one knows how long it will take for this pandemic to be managed and eventually to be treated with a vaccine. For now, cooperation is what the government needed. Let us all think and act critically towards our world situation today, as this builds what's ahead of us all. Life's hard enough if you make good decisions, but if you make bad ones, it gets even harder. Some decisions you can't walk away from and will affect the rest of your life. I'd appreciate your generosity of watching and liking all my videos. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and let us make this world a better place. Remember, what we allow is what will continue. Keep safe, you all. Peciknops.
So, this is to wrap up our Taiwan trip. These people made it. First ever international trip. Fail proof. Fail proof kahit nakasimangot yung isa kasi hindi kami nakapunta sa outlet.
Maraming outlet sa atin.
Ay,
nag-college siya. So, congrats travelers, you made it. Wala tayong naging palpak. Pinakakawawa dito sa trip na to, itong camera ng gamit ko. 2 beses na laglag. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Wala kung bakit 2 beses na laglag. Ang close stripes. Nagalit siya kasi hinihintay niya yung mga
Kararating ng huli ko.
pictures. So, that's it. So, kung magustuhan niyo itong vlog na to, tinry namin yung bus namin. May importante pa lang ako sasabihin dahil pag magpapa-tax refund kayo, kailangan nyo ng papeles galing dun sa
Kahit ano oras siya umalis ko yung 1:30.
si Mike? Actually masyadong maaga, gabi ngayon. Pwede siya, 1:30. Ay, pwede 2:30. Not unless magpa-park siya literal. So yeah, that's it. Yung tax refund, very important. Hingi kayo dun sa establishment ng paperwork para ma-file nyo kasi kami we're losing 5% of our total shopping expenditure. Dapat mga $400 to $500 refund yun. It's roughly 1,000 pesos. But, say goodbye. Goodbye people, napakalobad na namin.